Hallo leerders, welkom terug by ons Afrikaanse sigvode. Ek hoop julle is reg om vandag lekker saam te oefen. Onthou om mooi te luister, mooi te praat en jou beste te probeer. Hello learners, welcome back to our Afrikaans sight words. I hope you are ready to practice nicely together today. Remember to listen carefully, speak nicely and try your best. Kom ons begin. Slaap, sleep. Sodat, that. Omdat, because. Weg, away. Mag, may. Wees, be. Gewees, been. Val, vol. Gekry, got. Genoeg, enough. Baie goed. Nou is dit jou beurt om alleen te probeer. Ek gaan nou die sigvode wys en jy moet dit self lees. Hoe vinnig kan jy dit reg kry? Well done. Now it's your turn to try on your own. I am going to show the sight words and you must read them yourself. How fast can you do it? Baie mooi. Julle het vandag uitstekend gewerk. Hou aan oefen elke dag, al is dit net vir 'n paar minute. Very good. You worked excellently today. Keep practicing every day, even if it's only for a few minutes. Sien julle weer binnekort. Totsiens.